Acuity Scheduling Tutorial for Beginners. Hello everyone and welcome to our Acuity Scheduling Tutorial for Beginners. And today I'll guide you through setting up and using your Acuity Scheduling to manage your appointments effortlessly. What is Acuity Scheduling? Acuity Scheduling is this cloud-based appointment scheduling software that allows businesses and individuals to manage their appointments and bookings. It is the ideal go-to website for those who need to make an easy way to schedule their client meetings, consultations, classes, and so much more. So, anything that is like appointment based that needs you to, provide your services based on certain appointments. So Acuity is the app for you to go through. So let's walk you through to the sign up process. This is how the Acuity scheduling website looks like. Here it says that flexible scheduling software to help you succeed. What they do is they seamlessly do the client scheduling process for you, secure the payments, and monitor the workflow automation for you. And as we were on it, you can control your availability with ease. Absolutely use all those tools that Acuity offers to schedule, customize, and basically customize your entire schedule app depending on how you want to host your virtual appointments. You can choose to block off certain times, like, when you have your off personal time. You can also customize when they can book with you and when you're available and when you're not. And you can also enable your automated appointment booking that like seamlessly just, cancels or accepts appointments based off your certain criteria that you've set up. Like you can give the Acuity certain prompts. That way it's going to automatically appointments booking system's gonna work in your favor. So how do you grow your customer base and keep them engaged? Even for that purpose, for the marketing purpose, what Acuity does is it has these powerful, amazing tools that helps you drive your business growth and keeps your customers coming back. You can also integrate memberships and gifts and certain subscriptions for your customers to have them keep coming back and get them hooked. Also, you can protect your time by having certain tools that seamlessly look into your credit card scores and look into your deposits and look after all of that stuff. So now that we're done with the basic idea of what Acuity is, this is how you can schedule up for a salon. Here is an example for a sauna and a yoga place. So you can use it for any, for businesses that have like spas, hair, nail, and beauty salons, yoga centers, gym subscription, personal training, all of that. You can use Acuity to, leverage off and create a good scheduling system for your business. So let's try scheduling. But before we go into it, let's look into the pricing that it offers us. These are the pricing plan it offers us. You can try them for 7 days, which is absolutely free, and they do not include any sort of applicable taxes for the free plan. So these are the three plans that they're offering. One's for emerging, the other for growing, and the third is the powerhouse. The growing one seems to be their most popular one as of now. You have the option to pay annually or else pay monthly. So to pay annually, you have to pay for the emerging one. It's like $16 per month. And for that, you have one location or one member of staff, like one person can operate it. You have clients self scheduling onto your scheduling app. You have unlimited numbers of services and appointments. You can accept payments using Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Also, you can have an integration of Google Meet, Zoom, and GoToMeeting. You have advanced features as well. It's amazing. Usually websites don't offer advanced features into their lowest paying plan, but Acuity does right here. And you have automatic time zone conversions for clients. It's so cool. You can also display your logo, brand your schedules, colors, and copy. These are all the other advanced features that are offered in all the other plans as well, which is embedded scheduler into your website, optimizing your availability for maximum appointments and fewer gaps. You can sync it with your Google Calendar, iCloud, Outlook, Exchange, and Office 365. You have Pipedrive integration for your sales and CRM purposes. You can easily upsell your clients with checkouts and add-ons. Also, you can offer certain group events and classes and workshops. That way you're like, building a separate community for you and your clients. And you also have the option to let clients tip you and the other worker that you have. They also have answered a few frequently asked questions like, are there any hidden fees? Which they say no, there aren't. They don't even include the applicable taxes. But apart from that, there's no hidden fees. And can you pay for the account annually as well? Yes, you can do that. And will my invoice be prorated if I sign up in the middle of the month? So your like billing cycle is going to be determined by whichever date you sign up. So let's just say you sign up on the 18th of the January. So the next month you're going to be billed up is on the 18th of February. And also you have the ease to cancel anytime you want. It completely depends upon you. So they also have an option that you can integrate more than 36 calendars in one account, which is so amazing. Now we're done with the pricing plans. Let's move on to signing up. Let's start up and create our account. We basically try scheduling for free. Once you click here, try Acuity Scheduling for free, you are going to be directed to this place where it requires you to enter up all your basic data and information. I've already logged in with a free trial as of now, so this is where the homepage leads me off at. This is how it looks like, where it have certain page tasks for me to complete to start accepting the appointments, which is to create appointment types where I get to let know the clients what my business offers. Then there is the second task, which says design your scheduling page, where I can create and be creative with how I can design my page depending upon however I like. Then is where I can share my scheduling page, so I can start booking up, and then also I can set up my availability right here. Let's move on with all of these tasks right now. Now at the dashboard, this is how my calendar looks like. This is a previous booking on the 14th, a few days back. This is how the calendar entirely looks like. Once I click up right here onto the dashboard, this is the available widgets or integrations that I can add. I can add a website from any of the customizable templates that they have, or even drive traffic with their inbuilt SEO tools. We can explore this in depth. Also, we can get like an in-depth site analysis. Once I go on over to the commerce area, here is where I can sell products, services, and measure my store's performance and get access to selling tools. Now, this is where I can also look into email marketing, email campaigns. I can create customized emails and instantly build and import mailing lists, and also add that onto my store or a separate blog that I have. Here is the domain. I can find a domain or transfer information or my calendar onto one that I already have. But for that purpose, I'll need to have a website first that I can create by clicking on Start with Website. And this is the Google Workspace. Here I can add a custom email address to my domain with my Google Workspace integration. Once again, even for this, I will need to start having my own website before I can get onto it. Now let's start with creating our appointment types. Into the dashboard, I can navigate. The first option right here is for me to navigate and go on to create appointment types. Once I'm here, I can create different types of services. Let's just say here, you can choose that to be personal or a class group. For a class group, let's just say we offer a yoga class. Duration would be in minutes, so I make that 45 minutes. And the price is, let's just say, $60. And the open slots per class, because it's a group, it could be around 15 people once. Next, I can choose when I want to offer this class. Like I could select a day, it could be Friday, which is tomorrow. And no, let's not take a Friday, it's a very less time frame. Let's choose it up to be 22nd. Then at the time, it could be at 10 a.m. And is this a recurring class or no? I would say no. And then I can click on create appointment type, and that is it. That's how my appointment has been created. I can also move on to the view additional settings right here, where I can add or edit different type of appointment right here. Like I can add a longer description. I can show a message after the scheduling. I can add like a sweet message to my clients that we've got your appointment and we're ready to see you the other day, anything like that, anything encouraging. I can also customize the colors that I wanted to show up on my schedule. Like I could pick up a red or this teal beautiful color right here. I can also add a picture. It could be a flyer, it could be a picture of the setup right there. And then I can simply go update my appointment type over here, and it's done. We wait for the page to load again. Now appointment types are done and it's successfully added, but the appointment type is private. I can also make it public. Like I can go back on edit and public it up right again. It's private, so I go make it public and then I update it once again. And then I can move on to add-ons as well. Once here I can create certain add-ons that extra customers can select. Like let's just say after that they might need a foot massage after the yoga. Foot massage. Certain people can add that in. The additional price would be of $10 and the duration would be for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, let's just say. No, 15. And who can access this? Clients can book this add-on or admin only, but yeah, client and admin both. So it's available for all people or just consultations. It's selected on all. So even no, or maybe yeah, let's just select it for all. Now I'm done. I add this and I just simply create add-on. Where we go off with this. Yes. Now that we've created this add-on, we have multiple options to create separate other add-ons, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to keep this simple. I'm not going to add any more else. Here they have a notification right here to receive online payments, which is for me to connect some sort of online payment platform. I could choose to connect. If I do choose to connect, it's going to lead me to my Connect, Stripe, Square, or PayPal page where I'll have to enter in my details for any or all of these three which I use so that I can start receiving payments online. Clicking on close. Now we move back onto coupons. You can also create new coupons for appointments since, let's just say it's holiday season right now and you want your customers to, you want to attract a lot of customers. So let's just say first 5 people who come up into the class, first 5, like this, first 5, where they get about 50% discount on the first 5 early bookers. And each customer can use this once, and it could be on just these appointment types, which is the consultation for 50 minutes. And when does it expire? I think our appointment was for 22nd or 24th, so we mentioned that right here. So it expires on 22nd actually. And then I save this coupon right here again. And now that we've successfully added our coupon as well, let's move back on to scheduling. And this is how our scheduling overview looks like. Let's move on to our clients right here. This page of the clients actually shows us a list of clients. We can basically add more clients. Let's just say you have a client that comes up and they want them to, let's add one client specifically, like for notes, this client is allergic to bleach. We can add that in as a way to remember who the client is. We can also add additional phone number or emails to be able to contact the client. We can also import and export our clients from a different spreadsheet or even import them from here to a separate out source. Move back on to the overview once again. And you see I've customized this specific schedule onto teal, and this is how it shows up here. So as of 23rd, the one we've added. Here you can customize the scheduling page. Let's customize the scheduling page right here. Move on to appearance. Here I can choose how my page looks like. As of now, this is how it looks like to the customers. I can quickly customize or change it to my liking. Like I can add specific more details, change the font style, make it bold, change the color of the font. Also show a different template of the calendar. Let's choose this one so they have an idea of when they're booking in. And I can choose the font on the header, the body, the scheduler background, the schedule text color, the button or accent color, and all of that. So like I have a wide range to customize all of this. I can also move on to the advanced CSS options where I can work with the CSS if I'm into coding, or I can change it based off the CSS styling. And this is the scheduling page options here. I can add in more details that I need on the scheduling. Like I could add another time they can book. I could see if we want them to add in their phone number, to disable the client login and registration, hide the duration, hide the prices until unless they pay, and also add in services like we need that already. Hide the spot left. Let's add that as well. And once again, here I can set up packages, gifts, and subscriptions, add in coupons, which we just did right now. And up from the integration, I can have Fresha books booking system. I can add QuickBooks, Squarespace, Mailchimp. I can integrate that with my Squarespace Acuity scheduling. Okay, and this is where I can take form questions, look up for my appointment types. Here I can see the availability. This is where I can look and set up my payment settings. So this is like a basic overview of how Acuity works, guys. And for further learning, Acuity also provides you 24/7 support and extensive guides. So they have like a really good customer service team. Now, this is like a basic rundown of Acuity scheduling. It's a really powerful tool to simplify your scheduling process. You can customize and do pretty much anything and everything related to the scheduling aspect with the Acuity. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.